Guys, welcome back to TFT Outdoors. Here we're fishing Roanoke River City. Let's just hop right in. So here we're going to start out with an NRV creek bug. We'll see if we can catch on. Alright guys, we caught this beautiful brookie off camera. Got another one. Looks like a brookie. Where's my net? Nice pretty brook. He's off. Got him. Got one on. Oh, I got it. Get it.
Okay, you got it.
Oh, yes. Second one of the day. Another nice little rainbow. Look at that. Alright, let's throw him back after we unhook him. Alright. Beautiful. We eat a little bit. We have a ton in the freezer right now, so. My camera just died, but I just caught a rainbow. It's pretty nice. Probably about 12 inches. That's fine.